Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for merchant payment. Using your credit card is a straightforward process, offering both convenience and security for your purchases. It provides an easy way to track your spending and often comes with benefits like rewards points or cashback. We will cover the simple steps for both in-person and online transactions, ensuring you can confidently make payments wherever you shop. Let's get started with the basics. When paying in person, the process is quite simple. You will either insert your card into the terminal's chip reader or tap it if it has contactless capability. For some transactions, you might enter a 4-digit personal identification number, or for credit, you may sign a receipt. Always double-check the total amount displayed on the screen before finalizing your purchase to ensure accuracy. For online purchases, you will typically enter your 16-digit card number, the 2-digit month and 2-digit year of its expiration, and the 3- or 4-digit security code found on the back or front. It is crucial to provide your billing address exactly as it appears on your card statement. Before clicking Submit, take a moment to review all order details and the final cost. To keep your credit card secure, always safeguard your card details and personal identification number. Never share them with unknown individuals. Make it a habit to review your monthly statements for any unfamiliar charges, reporting discrepancies promptly. If your card is ever lost or stolen, contact your card issuer immediately. They can often cancel the card and issue a new one within a few business days, protecting you from fraud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.